this is how I clean my bearings. Just see, I'll put this bearing on here, try to turn it. It barely even turns. I got all this dirt and my car ran into the dirt, so got all this dirt and gravel and stuff all in it. So first thing I'm gonna do is take this little seal off, because all this needs to be cleaned. All right, let's see if that helped a little bit. Now I have this little bearing cleaner thing, which I stick in here on here. This goes on top. Then I use my nitro cleaner to plug in there. Then I spray. Okay. Then I'm gonna flip it over. Do the same thing. Now, I should have cleaned it out some. Look how much better it spins. A whole lot better than it was. Now I'm gonna soak it just because. And I want to clean this off. Get all this dirt and stuff off of here, off the seal. I soak it. Get the seal nice and clean, get the bearing nice and clean. Let's see how much it spins. Yeah, that's better. Yeah, so that's more like it. That's how it's supposed to spin. Okay, but that's how I get my bearings all nice and clean. Get it spinning a lot better, especially after your car running some dirt. I lost signal today, and my car ran off into the dirt because I couldn't stop it. And let it dry. Well, you gotta get you one of these. This is just a little bearing holder, so I can test it. Let me see. I don't feel like nothing in there. Feel nice and smooth. Okay, I think I got all the grit and grind out of this bearing. So, if you see, I only got one seal. I only use one seal. I don't use a seal, let's say on here, you know, on this back end. I don't use a seal. I only use a seal on this side. You know, so this side is usually covered. The seal kind of causes, you know, a little bit of drag on the bearing, but it also protects it from all the stuff getting inside. So you do need the seal, but I only use it on one side. You know, so long as I don't go in the dirt, usually no dirt gets up in here. It blocks it from this side with the seal, because I keep the seal on that side. Same with the wheels and tires, you know. So I get that one cleaned up, then I'm gonna get this one cleaned up, and then I'm gonna put it all back together. I just want to show y'all how I clean my bearings. I do got oil, and I will oil them very, very lightly. I don't put a lot of oil. They spin a lot better when they don't have oil in them. As soon as you put some oil in them, they're gonna spin a little slower. But when you actually run in the car and they get real hot from spinning, the oil is good to have in there. So got them all cleaned up. I don't feel nothing in there. They back dry. I'm gonna oil it, put it together, do the same thing to that bearing, and put the whole little thing back together, clean up all this, get this car cleaned up, so I can try to get back out there next weekend and get another run. Thanks everybody for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And this is how I clean my bearings with the little bearing kit and some nitro clean. All right.